Zoya, this is a question for you. Tell us your earliest memories of watching Salim Sahab and Javed Sahab at work.
My earliest memories are of the spaces, I think. Certain hotel rooms, the study in our house now, which for my luck is my room right now. The study they worked in, I think it's the spaces. I think it's that A4 blank foolscap sheet and handwriting. That's my earliest memory of it.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Farhan, I'd like to take the next question for you, which is tell us that one film that you watched of the duo and what effect did it have on you? Any film, like a visceral memory that's never left you.
You know, I've watched all their work umpteen number of times. So be it Sholay, be it Diwar, be it many films. But the one that I think I've watched the most that they worked on was a film called Kranti, which I watched, I don't know, maybe like 300 times. I saw that film. It was highly entertaining. I don't know if they will be happy that that was my first choice of Kranti. Kranti. But no, all their work. I think, I mean, this documentary is aptly titled Angry Young Men because they brought their life experience, their voice, their identity into the character that we've all come to know as Vijay. And that's left like a lasting impression on all of us. But I mean, all of it, their work is absolutely spectacular. It speaks for itself.
Thank you so much for that. Kranti, in case anyone missed that, okay? I'm going to take this to Salman, sir. Salman, sir,
I just saw an interview of Mr. Manoj Kumar, and he's taken away the credit from Salim Javed. He said that he's written it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll have a separate documentary for Manoj ji.
I think it's very, very honest of him that he has made this confession.
gems.
Yes, no, but it's a fact. It's a fact. He says मैं लिखता था, मैं इनको सुनाता था और ये फिर आके वही करके चले जाते थे. So but he did write it.
As they say, it takes a village.
Especially that chana zor garam.
Which is why I think I had another question on my cards, but I'm just going to go ask you a favorite film of the two of them.
I've liked all the films. But for me, Diwar, Zanjeer, Dawn, Sholay, अब कितने नाम ले कि जब हम we produce a film, I'm sure even Farhan and Zoya must be revisiting all their films.
Absolutely. Now for the question on the card, which is, when did you realize that your father was no ordinary man, but the Salim Khan?
क्या सवाल है ये? अब इस सवाल का जवाब तो कुछ और ही होगा कि जब से कुछ समझ में आया तो सलीम जावेद ही समझ में आए, बाकी के कोई नहीं समझ में आया.
Namrata, I think this question begets an answer. Of all the names you went with Angry Young Men, which is I think the perfect name for this docuseries, but how did that come to you?
It was Zoya's idea. I mean, even when she had the idea first, she knew that it will be called Angry Young Men.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, and we discussed it back in 2018. She already knew it's Angry Young Men. And I thought it's a fab name.
Truly is.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it epitomizes everything the docuseries is about. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
So
Manish.
this Brad thing is two people writing, giving hit after hit, hit after hit, hit after hit. And now they have to refuse a lot of producers, a lot of actors. तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि ये लोग अपने आप को समझते क्या इनका दिमाग खराब हो गया है. दिमाग इनका नहीं खराब हुआ था, दिमाग इनका चल ही रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा था क्योंकि ये हिट पे हिट दिए जा रहे थे और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए फॉर डेट्स और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया फॉर व्हाटएवर, शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी है कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको टैग कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग ख़राब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था. जिन्होंने इनको ये बोला है वो उनका दिमाग ख़राब है. You know, one thing I've worked with a lot of writers and so has Farhan, with a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children have, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, cinema se utha ke cinema mein dala hai. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed Sahib, they're men, they're still men because they want to be men.